Okay, for this section, you are going to write down in word form what the inequality is saying. So I always like to start with the variable, like I said. So in the text box, I'm going to start by typing I is. Now, is I less than 9 or greater than 9? Well, there's the 2 dots. If you remember how we did that in class, the 2 dots are next to the 9, so that means the 9 is greater. So I is less than, but then there's this line here, so equal to. I is less than or equal to 9. So you type that on the line. Okay, I put a little text box for you to type in. Then you're going to go down here. Remember, they're off screen. So if you have to, then you must zoom out so that you can see the off canvas tiles, like when we did algebra tiles. Less than or equal to 9. So you need to decide, do I need a closed circle or do I need an open circle? It could be 9, right? So I need a closed circle. And I'm going to drag it up so that the circle is on the 9. So you might have to move it over a little bit. Don't worry if it's not perfect. I'm not looking for perfection. Now, this is shading all the numbers greater than 9, but we said that it has to be less than 9. So take that arrow and just pull it in the opposite direction. Now, some kids were confused. Let me just slide this over a little bit. Some kids were confused when the arrow doesn't go all the way down to the end. The arrow is pointed right here. So that means it just is implied that it always goes all the way down to the end. So it's okay if you don't stretch it all the way out to the end, but you can if you'd like to. Okay. So what I'm looking for is your word sentence and that it matches your arrow. I'm looking to see if you used the correct closed circle or open circle. Okay. Go ahead. You try.